is this? No wells, it is not an RV, not wooden house. This is a disassembled house made in the factory. They can ship to all over the world. The inside, the outside are all made of aluminum. 80 millimeters the wall XPS insulation. And TPE double glazed window, it has great insulation. Go inside, you can see here is the control panel. It can control the lights, it can control the electric curtains, control the everything. Here is a living room, very spacious. You can put a sofa here. Here is electric curtains, protect your privacy. Here is the bedroom. Here is some sockets. So, do you like?